The screws on Iranian crude output appear to be tightening, but will that impact the flow of supply for global oil markets? The answer might lie in OPEC. When announcing the end of waivers, the White House said it was working closely with top oil exporters, Saudi Arabia and here in the UAE, to ensure the market is adequately supplied. That raises the question of what extra capacity OPEC producers have.
It depends on how much Iran's exports are diminished, but let's say at the high end Iran's exports might be reduced by 700,000 up to 1 million barrels per day. So then we've got the countries that would really step in would be Saudi Arabia, of course, which has something on the range of 2 million barrels a day spare capacity, the UAE perhaps 300,000, Iraq perhaps another 300,000. So in principle there's ample spare capacity to make up for any loss from Iran. However, of course, Iran is not the only thing going on in the oil market. Venezuela's collapse is continuing, which threatens 600,000 or so barrels per day. There's fighting in Libya, that's 1 million barrels per day at risk. So if all these things were to come together, then the market would be much tighter.
Last week, oil prices dipped as US President Donald Trump again pressured OPEC to raise production. But some analysts say the eventual ending of US waivers on Iranian oil has already been factored into markets.
We believe this has largely priced in the removal of the waiver of Iranian crude. If you look at the oil production coming out of Iran, it has fallen more than 1 million barrels. The same for its export numbers. And because of that, the oil price have also been moving to new high, recently touching $74 before the tweet came out from Trump. So the price have moved quite a lot. We believe is largely priced in.
What Riyadh does next could be key. As it stands, an OPEC-led supply cut agreed with Russia is still in effect. And on Tuesday, Saudi Arabia said the deal could be extended beyond June to incorporate the rest of 2019. That's likely sent oil prices up. In all, they've surged almost 40% since January. Despite US pressure, it's not yet clear whether OPEC is a willing partner of the White House. Greaves, CGTN in Dubai.